welcome to one more video of Bank Nifty daily analysis. So hopefully the bank expiry went well today for everyone. So it's a pretty sideways market. So as we mentioned, right, it will take a support here. So it almost took a support of 895 today as per the trend line of yesterday. So we'll come back to 15 minutes. Right here it made a hammer, so here it was a confirmation. See, we need to understand, right, the moment it took a support and the moment it made a hammer, this gives a confirmation that this is going to go up, and the moment it crossed the higher point of this particular candle, the 1030 candle, right, so it was a clear cut that it's going to go up towards the closure of the day, right. It went up and finally it kind of expired on 48,020, so approximately 48,000 it got expired. Both the individuals have might have shorted 48,000. That's where it got expired. So that's where we stand. So we quickly draw the trend line for Bank Nifty. Then what we can do is, instead of this one, we can expand this to here and make it red. This becomes red, this becomes white. It doesn't make sense. And this will bring it down. This trend line will make it down, and this trend line doesn't make much of a sense. So this is the Bank Nifty analysis. Looking at the daily chart of Bank Nifty, it has made a hammer pattern. If you look at Bank Nifty, so somehow it has saved 47,723, the 50 DMA, and it has made a hammer. So hopefully tomorrow it should bounce back, looking at the way the hammer has been made. Looking at Nifty, it has exactly, it came down to 50 EMA, which was 185, sorry, 243. So it made a lower of 185 and then it bounced back. So it closed above 243. So it's still trying to save 50 EMA for Nifty. So these two signs are showing that tomorrow it will bounce back with how Dow futures are looking at. Dow which is pretty flat today. So that's how it is, and then we will see Nifty if we can draw any, because tomorrow is Nifty expiry. So anything which we can do to Nifty expiry to draw the where the expiry will end. So this becomes the resistance. This also we can mark it as a resistance. And here see it filled the gap and it again bounced back. So this is the support now. And this is, it doesn't make much of a sense. So today's high approximately 350. So tomorrow it seems like the Bank Nifty would get expired between 22,400 to 22,200. So that's the range which it might get expired. So what we can do is, in the morning, or if somebody have shorted 22,200 and 22,400 for the time decay to get benefit. So hopefully tomorrow it should get expired between 400 and 500, 400 and 200. So that's the range of Bank Nifty expiry tomorrow. And in case if it crosses 400, at the max it might go to 450, 500, or below it can go to 150, 100. So that's the upper range, and the lower range is 200 to 400. That's how the Nifty should look like, unless and until there is sudden bad news coming up during the night. So that's it. Okay, take care and happy Nifty expiry tomorrow then. Bye.